Miracle of BC and AD. 84, 22, 22, 84 BC AD. Historia Animalia on the parts of animals, written by Aristotle, the great scientist. He is the father of zoology. He also understood biology. He also knew psychology. A scientist like him is not born every day. Is there any other scientist like him? Gregor Johann Mendel could have been like him. Although he became the father of genetics, but in my opinion, Aristotle is a greater scientist.